What's up, everybody? You already know who it is. It's your boy, RJ Randy J in the building. What I want y'all to do right now, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button right now, because we already hit our 200 subscribers. Yeah, we on the road to 500, to 1,000, to 5,000, to 100,000. You feel me? Yes. Thank y'all, and please keep supporting us. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so I'm done with those wheels. As you can see, them things are nice. They looking good. Raymond over here cleaning up these. Let's see how they looking. Woo! They looking flashy too. He said he want to put them back on.
I don't know, I was just kidding.
No, you just kidding? Orale. So yeah, we're gonna throw them up there. He's already got the car ready to go, and we're gonna see how they look when we put them on. Raymond, do you like the new wheels or what? Don't sound like you excited.
I'm trying to eat.
Quiet.